Hello gardeners! With spring in the air, it's time to get our lawns looking their best. And today, Donald and I are here to walk you through the essential steps to bring your lawn back to life after these cooler months.
That's right, Joylyn. After winter, your lawn is showing new growth, but so are the weeds. Those dormant weed seeds are probably growing faster than your grass right now. So the first step is to get rid of them. You can use a broadleaf weed killer like Bio Advanced All-in-One Lawn, Weed, and Crabgrass Killer, or a granular product like High Yield Weed and Feed. Be sure to follow the label's application instructions, and those weeds should be gone within a few days. After the weeds are gone, rake them out along with any dead thatch. Aerating your lawn will significantly improve the irrigation efficiency by allowing water and nutrients to reach the roots more effectively.
Now, this next step is crucial. Checking your irrigation system. Make sure your timer settings are correct and you are watering on your designated watering day. Then, manually run each station to check your valves. While they're running, inspect each sprinkler head for proper function. Look for leaks, broken lines, or cracked heads.
Remember, sprinkler heads should be adjusted to spray all the way to the adjacent head for full even coverage. This is referred to as head-to-head coverage. And make sure you're watering your lawn, not the sidewalk or driveway.
Now, you have two choices depending on the condition of your lawn. If it is thin and spotty, you'll want to overseed. Use a good quality grass seed like our Emerald Carpet Fescue blend, and a starter fertilizer like our Dr. Q's Sod and Seed Starter, and a seed covering like Top Dressing.
And if you overseed, make sure you haven't used a weed and feed product with a pre-emergent herbicide, as that will prevent the grass seeds from germinating. If you're not overseeding, you can use a pre-emergent like High Yield Turf and Ornamental Weed and Grass Stopper.
If your lawn is still fairly green and even, then you can skip the overseeding and go straight to fertilizing. Using a fertilizer like Dr. Q's Royal Flush will help push out that new green growth and continue working for up to 3 months. For more information on this topic, get our free star notes, number 810, number 815, and number 830 at starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your favorite Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Donald.
And I'm Joey Lynn, and we'll see you again next week.